What's the meaning of craze? Craze. Craze.
Craze. Craze. Craze refers to a sudden and intense enthusiasm or trend for something, which is often short-lived. It can be used to describe a fad, fashion, or obsession that captures the public's attention, causing people to become excited, passionate, or even obsessed with it. The craze typically results in a surge in demand for a particular product, service, or activity, leading to increased sales, popularity, and visibility. However, these trends can quickly fade, leaving behind disappointed or disillusioned followers who have moved on to the next craze.